Today's video is brought to you by Squarespace. Today, I'm going to make a bunch of ugly flipbooks. They're probably going to be really short. They're going to be ugly. Let's just start the time lapse and see what we get. Ugly and stupid. That's what I'm going for. So I'll show you, I did a whole bunch of doodles to try and sketch some ideas for flipbooks. These are all ones that I never did anything with, but that one, I think maybe I should do something with that guy. That guy I like too. This guy wasn't so much ugly as just really, I don't know. So, yeah, lots of potential for a bunch more ugly flipbooks. I might do a part 2 later. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. These were all a bunch of ugly flipbooks. But if you're interested in creating something that's the complete opposite of ugly, you know, beautiful, do it with Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. I've been using Squarespace for several years. It's been fantastic. They provide award-winning 24/7 customer support. They've always been very fast and responsive for me. So if you're ready to make something beautiful, make it with Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/andymation to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.